Typically, a small bedroom can't hold much furniture without feeling cramped. You should be thoughtful with the layout if you want to incorporate extras like a desk and dresser into your bedroom. Therefore, you need to work on the room's floor plan, including any doorways and windows, as this will create a layout for your bedroom. Once you've planned everything meticulously, you can decide where to put the furniture in its best position. If you need help, these 10 small bedroom layouts with a desk and a dresser below might give you some fresh perspectives. As always, SimHome curates and presents you with the list. Number 10. Zone the space. If you use the bedroom as a place to unwind and a workspace simultaneously, separate the zone of working and resting by positioning the desk further away on a separate wall from the bed. It is essential to have two separate areas to help you distinguish work time from relaxing time. Especially children, they have one area for playing and the other for studying. As in this room layout for kids, two wardrobes separate the desk and the bunk beds. The desk underneath the bedroom window offers them fresh air and enough light to stay focused when studying. A seamless look appears from the floating desk, which gives plenty of storage in the dresser under the desktop. Number 9. Place it by the window. Good lighting in a workspace increases productivity. When designing a bedroom layout, you might consider placing the desk near the natural light source, ideally by the window. In this layout, the desk is between the bed and the window, allowing you to feel the positive, natural vibes. You can also find a tall dresser in the snug alcove beside the desk. Ensure the desk is accessible by leaving enough space between the desk and the bed. For this tip, use window treatment such as sheer curtains or shutters to prevent glare on bright days. Number 8. Fit into the corner. Another layout for a small bedroom with a desk and a dresser is positioning all the furniture in one corner. In this layout, the bed, the dresser, and the desk are in one area along two walls. It leaves the rest of the room free to move around. The all-white furniture produces a broader space with a seamless look. This layout is ideal for a queen bed. To maximize the space, choose a thin desktop with slim legs on one side and a dresser that supports the other side. Number 7. A compact bunk idea. Everyone agrees that a bunk bed is a solution for a small bedroom of 2 or 3 kids. It even works better for a single-kid bedroom with narrow space by installing this all-in-one bunk bed. Here you can see a bunk bed floating a few feet off the floor, freeing up the space beneath it. Thus, you can have a desk and dresser and leave other areas accessible for other things or for room to breathe. The ladders on both sides serve double duty. They not only provide access to the bed but also support the desk. The bookshelf dresser combo offers access to storage while supporting the bunk bed. This assembly gives you ultimate efficiency because everything sits nearby. Kids will also love the sensation of sleeping high off the ground. Just be sure you install proper railing for peace of mind and safety. Number 6. Double up the queen. A queen-size bed can feel awkward for a small bedroom, but with a suitable layout, like this one, you'll get a different perception. In this layout, the bed is in the middle of the room, parallel with a closet, leaving enough space for you to pick outfits easily. 2 bedside tables flanking the bed on each side also act as dressers. To continue the idea, place a desk as a workspace in front of the bed. You can also opt for a floating desk for a more spacious finish. Eventually, finish it off by placing an armchair or a big cushion in the corner of the room by the window. This way, you can get a cozy reading nook. Alternatively, you can also tweak a reading nook by following one of the resources we neatly grouped inside a blog post titled 20 Living Room Furniture and Seating Ideas. The list features commentary and some shortcuts you can take advantage of without tons of woodworking experience. Number 5. A single bed convenience layout ideal for the small space. You can take many ways to improve the compactness and functionality of a single bed. Here, everything in your bedroom is against one wall, making the space in the middle perfect for a plush rug. If you put your bed in the upper corner, you'll have plenty of room for a large dresser that can double as a nightstand. The bed's central access door allows for more flexible furniture placement in the room. In the corner to the other side of the room, you can set up a desk and comfortable chair to use as a reading nook or study space. More room is next to the dresser, thus a taller cabinet will work well there. This additional space for storage will help maintain a tidy environment. Number 4. Lay out your desk opposite the bed. The French doors in this room are wide and will need some clearance to open. However, from the image, we learn that having the bed and the workstation on different walls can produce harmony. There are additional drawers beneath the bed, making it ideal for storage. The opposite side of the room has a built-in nook where a floating desk would fit nicely. Finally, a tall cabinet works well at the foot of the bed. This configuration forms a convenient alley from the entrance to the farthest point of the space. Number 3. The end of the bed. Do you want the arrangement of a dorm room? Give this one a shot. First, the two desks are set up across from one another at the foot of the bed, occupying a single corner of the room. The child will feel at home at the skinny, light brown desk that exudes an air of calmness. Although numerous small objects, like those typically found in a teen's room, appear to have been placed with care. From the image as our inspiration, you can make your bed into a cozy reading nook by placing some books on the windowsill and using a bedside table. Reduce the mess next to your bed by installing a tall armoire there. Lastly, you may use the space in your bedroom better by taking advantage of the extra storage space under your bed. Number 2. How to disguise your woodworking desk in the windowsill. One tip for a desk in a small bedroom is to go for a slim silhouette with minimum footprints, such as a floating desk, a desk with thin legs, or a slim desktop. In other words, don't add too much visual weight. The layout in the picture is a good example. It makes the desk disguise as a windowsill. You can slide out the desktop when working. Furthermore, the bottom of the table serves as a dresser. It extends across the window length, providing enormous storage beneath. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. Hide it in a closet. A closet office is the perfect answer if you need to work from bed but don't want to let your office space interrupt your rest. In the picture, a hidden cabinet housing the desk that's part of the built-ins. The desk can be concealed out of sight while it's not in use. This desk has the right height and a closet, meaning more space for your workplace. Additionally, create a foldable chair that fits snugly inside the cabinet when not in use. Keeping things simple and functional effectively uses your time and resources indeed. You now have various alternatives for arranging your small bedroom with a desk and dresser. Measuring furniture, space, windows, and doors is a good start. Continue the result to finish all the tasks, and we hope to see you again on SimpHome for more virtual interactions later. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.